I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. No? You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Huwag niyo pong ipilit ha. Baka magdugo. Kung hindi naman talaga nag-resonate, edi hindi. No? I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So believe in the synchronicities, believe that the message is meant to find you. Let's begin. Temptation, light, emotional withdrawal. So parang nakikita natin dito na, or probably, no, someone is, sabihin natin, observing, or probably came into this realization na sa una lang magaling, or baka this emotion might be, dahil bago, no? Maganda ang pinapakita. So, a realization na tama pala ako, no? Meron din ditong probably, no? Because someone is aesthetically good looking, yun yung unang nagustuhan. And again, usually ganun naman talaga nangyayari, no? Kasi may itsura yung tao. So, kaya nagugustuhan ng isang na kaya tayo na-fall. Tao lang din tayo, no? So that's actually normal. Pero kasi there's something off habang tumatagal. So parang feeling naman nung nagustuhan, I don't feel the love, no? I don't feel the sincerity. Siguro kaya lang ito lumapit dahil nga with my looks, or kaya lang ito lumapit because of my abundance, no? Kaya lang ito lumapit dahil siguro may kailangan. Right now, nandun na tayo sa parang nako-connect natin yung mga dots. No? Parang nasasabi natin sa sarili natin ay parang may off. Hindi, kung meron man, hindi pa masyadong klaro sa akin. Pero iba na yung nararamdaman ko. No? Iba yung sinasabi ng gut feeling ko. And I feel like unti-unti akong umaalis, unti-unti kong hindi ipinapakita masyado na nadidismaya ako, that I am also turning my back in this connection. Chances are, so kung expectation natin nandito, parang bumaba siya agad, no? With the Ace of Pentacles, parang ang bilis naman natin kasi din napaniwala. Kasi probably, no, the person is faking this real good, and it seems very real. It seems very inviting, very parang makatotohanan talaga, no? Pero bakit ganun? Parang kahit anong, di ba sabi nga nila, ang matching ay bihisan mo man ng ginto, no? Matching pa rin yan. Takpan mo man, no? Ilibing mo man ang isang corpse, aamoy din yan. So parang ngayon, yung totoong kulay lumalabas with the Star. Siguro, totoo din yung part na we assumed that the person is genuine. At wala naman yung mali sa atin dahil, again, we give chances, no, to people. Siguro, sinabi natin, hindi naman siguro lahat ng tao na lalapit sa akin gagamitin ako or may masamang intention. So why not give this person a chance? But here we are. Kasi with the star, we treated the person, without inhibitions. So, again, walang mali sa'yo dahil that's actually a fair chance, a fair share. Loving or giving people a chance without prejudice, no? You treated them well. And I think that the person somewhat, no, parang naibigay mo yung sobra-sobra. And parang yung lahat ng ginawa mo, instead na ma-appreciate nila, parang napunta ito sa ulo. Lumaki ang ulo nila, no? With the Hangman, ngayon parang sinasabi mo, I am not being treated fairly. I am not liking, no, what is happening right now in this situation. I'm starting to doubt yung mga move ni person sa akin, the Eight of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. You're probably thinking of sabihin ang totoo mong nararamdaman, not maybe face-to-face. So chances are you're gonna send out a text message. It could be a long message, it could be an email, what have you. Making excuses at first na I will be doing something important, no? Para hindi masaktan yung tao, no? Kahit na, parang hindi naman sa nagsisinungaling ka. Ayaw mo lang makasakit ng damdamin ng iba kung dediretsuhin mo siya na alam ko na yung ginagawa mo. Actually, ikaw ang unang nasaktan di ba? Kasi parang nararamdaman mo dito, ginagamit mo ako. I feel like I'm being used. Masakit sa akin yun, syempre. Ayoko na maibigay, no, or irekta sa'yo. So I may be doing some excuses to distance myself, no, from the equation. The Ace of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Kasi baka feeling mo looks nga lang ang gusto din, no? Kasi with the Ace of Wands, this is a phallic card, no? Kung babae ka, baka naman ang iyong itsura, no? Sexy, maganda, yun talaga ang gusto. Sa lalaki, gwapo naman or baka dax, no? Parang feeling ko nagagamit yung katawan ko dito, no? With the Two of Wands, kasi ang dali kong bumigay, ang dali kong ibinigay, no? And the Six of Wands in here, hindi naman sa nakuha niya. Well, of course, nakuha niya na kung anong gusto niya. Parang the person is wanting more. So parang, ano to, hanggang malosyang ako? Ano to, hanggang, ma-dry ako? Hanggang wala na akong ilabas? Hanggang, nasimsim mo na yung bango ko, yung ganyan. This is something about, sabihin natin may kamunduhan, no? Yung gusto sa'yo. Nung person. And then nahalata mo na. Kaya you're distancing yourself from them. You're distancing yourself from the equation kasi it feels not right. And ayaw mong idirekta, kaya gagawa tayo ng reason to make an excuse para wag naman din masaktan agad-agad yung person. Pero ipaparamdam mo na I want to be cold and I want out, no? Or I want at least some me time, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na to, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwedeng lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. I'm seeing Leo, Aries. I'm seeing Sagittarius. I am seeing Taurus, Aquarius, Virgo, Scorpio. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. And see you on the next reading. Goodbye.